fellow artists, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Mad Chen and I'm a digital illustrator. I create Procreate tutorials for beginners. In today's Procreate tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Liquify tool in Procreate. So first we need to go up to Adjustments, and we'll go down the menu to find Liquify down here. Clicking on Liquify will bring up this menu at the bottom of our canvas. Let's talk about some of the features just under the effects. From the bottom left, we have brush size. Next, we have pressure influence, then distortion, and the last being momentum. Now, all four of these can be used to adjust the strength and size of your effects. So the first Liquify tool that we have here on the left is Push. When I push the pencil to the right, you'll see that the colors or pixels are being pushed in the same direction as the stroke path. I'm going to put momentum on max as we continue to use the Push Liquify tool. Even if I lift my pencil off the canvas, momentum allows the colors to continue along the same stroke path. The next ones I'm going to show you are the Twirl right and left tools. Both pretty much do the same thing, they just go in the opposite direction. Now this is a fun tool to experiment with. I'm just going to place the Apple Pencil in the middle of the canvas for you to see the twirl effect. You can also move your brush across the canvas, making the colors spin. The next one we have here is Pinch. So I'm going to put the pencil in the middle of the canvas again for you to see the colors and pixels moving inward towards the area where I'm touching the canvas. The next Liquify tool is Expand, which just blows up the area where your pencil touches. Then we have Crystallize. For this example, I've zoomed into my canvas so that you can see the effect more clearly. If you want a stronger crystallized effect, you can put distortion all the way to max. The last Liquify tool is Edge. This tool acts a bit like Pinch, but is more dependent on the stroke path. As I continue to draw the same tilted line on the canvas, all the colors are being drawn in and trying to form the same straight line that I've drawn onto the canvas. Let's do another example by straightening up this purple edge here. You'll see that the edge starts to straighten up. Now we're going to look at the final three options on the right of the menu. The one on the far right is Reset. So if you've made any mistakes, you can tap on this to put your canvas back to its original state. Next to Reset is Adjust. The Adjust tool allows you to adjust the strength for each of the Liquify tools. And then we have Reconstruct. Using Reconstruct will allow you to undo any of the changes that you've made, only on areas where you touch your canvas. I encourage you to experiment with the Liquify tool. There's a lot of different patterns and effects that you can create with this, and it's just a whole lot of fun coming up with different kinds of designs. Thanks for watching, guys. Please support this channel by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to Mad Chen. If you have any questions, comments, or problems with Procreate, please leave comments down below because I want to be supportive and help you guys get better at using Procreate and also get better at your artwork. You can also check out my other Procreate tutorials, which I will leave links up above and also in the description below. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next Procreate tutorial.